Understanding the phrase, all at once. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase that you might hear pretty much anywhere, all at once. It's a phrase that can be confusing, but it's used quite frequently in both written and spoken English. Stick around as we explore its meaning, use, and some examples to clear up any confusion. Let's get started. The phrase, all at once, can be understood in two main ways. First, it means simultaneously, everything happening at the same time. Imagine you're sitting quietly, and suddenly the doorbell rings, your phone goes off, and your cat jumps on the table all at once. It's a lot to take in, right? Second, it can also mean suddenly or unexpectedly. When something happens that you didn't see coming, you might say it happened all at once. For instance, you might be walking down the street when it starts pouring rain all at once. Now that we know what it means, let's put all at once into action. This phrase is really versatile, so you can use it in various contexts. Simultaneously, the crowd began to clap all at once. Suddenly, I realized all at once that I had left my keys at home. Remember, the context will usually tell you which meaning is intended. It's the situation described in the sentence that gives you the clue. Even though all at once is a simple phrase, it can still be tricky. One common mistake is confusing it with at once, which is used to mean immediately. For example, please come here at once. This doesn't mean several things are happening simultaneously, but rather that something should happen right away. Another tip is not to confuse it with once and for all, which means to do something in a way that will be final and not need to be done again. They can't be used interchangeably. And that wraps up our quick guide on the phrase, all at once. Remember, it's all about the context. Is everything happening at the same time, or did something just happen out of the blue? Keep practicing, and soon, using all at once will come to you all at once, naturally and with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been as fun for you as it was educational. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.